Getting Rich by Wallace D. Wattles app. And we're going to go ahead and see if we can install it and see how the new look looks. Okay. There it is right there. Okay, install. And the launch notice and the license agreement should show up first. Okay, open. Okay, privacy policy. Okay, it's kind of long there. Oh, I think I put it in twice. We're making shorten that up, but let's accept it. And the launch notice. Okay. All right, so that's it. And of course, the banner should be running. Yeah, there's the banner. Okay. All righty. What's going on, Appreneurs? Christopher Wilson here, and I'm now on my mobile device, and we're going to test out our Science of Getting Rich audio and ebook app. So let's get right into it. Go to, oh, there it is right there. Okay, 677.95. Yep. Okay, I'm going to install it. And the reason you see the Andromo logo is because I didn't upload the logo onto my Andromo dashboard, but there it is, looking good. Okay, listen and read SGR with the little information. I like how it's looking. Just 4 big icons. Okay. All right, looking good. Now, let's test the listen. Okay, preface, chapter 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 19, 11, 12, always 17.
The Science of Getting Rich.
And look how the letters are, the words are scrolling preface. At the bottom.
This book is pragmatical, not philosophical.
I like that.
A practical manual,
okay.
Not.
Let's hit the forward button.
Chapter 1, The Right to Be Rich. Chapter 2, There is a Science of Getting
Excellent.
Rich. Chapter 3, Is Opportunity
Very good.
Monopolized?
Okay.
No man is kept
Now,
poor because opportunity has been taken away
let's
from him.
try and
Other people
read
have
along
monopolized the wealth and have
Science
put
of
a fence
Getting Rich
around it.
ebook.
You may be shut off from engaging in business in certain lines,
Okay.
but there are other channels.
That's in chapter 3, right? Let's click chapter 3.
It would be hard for you to get
to
control
chapter 3.
of any of the great railroad systems. That field is pretty well monopolized. But the electric railway business is a few years until traffic and transportation
there it is.
Air will become a great industry. And
Now, you
all
could
its
make
branches
your
will give employment to hundreds
your
of
text
thousands,
bigger, but that looks
perhaps
fine to me.
millions of people.
Okay.
Why not turn your attention to the development of aerial
And
transportation?
you can read it. Person can read along as the ebook reads. So that's it.
Railway world.
And like I said, you can put
if you are a workman
some more activities in here. You can put like some YouTube videos about Wallace D. Wattles and so forth. It's a lot of stuff to do, you know, a lot of activities to add in this inside this app. But we're just going to keep it simple for now. You can also, you know, update your app constantly, which is a good thing sometimes. But yep, so we're going to go ahead and close it up, and that's the quick demo. And I'm going to see you. Oh, remember to take your screenshots. Let's do that now. I'm going to take a few. Taking screenshots.
Certainly get a farm if you will go to work in a certain way.
Okay. Let's take a screenshot of this.
In different directions, according to the needs of the whole.
Okay, take a screenshot.
Social evolution which has been reached.
Okay.
At present, in America, it is setting toward agriculture, the allied industries and professions. Today, opportunity is open before the factory worker in his line. It is open before the businessman who supplies the farmer more than for the one who supplies the factory worker. And before the professional man who waits
got the screenshots in there. And Trying to think of anything else I want to leave you with, but that's about it. Remember to put your ad networks in and put your push notifications in. With the push notifications, you see this top bar at the top there? Okay, you can have your message right there at the top. Just like, you know, you got the Gmail here and everything. When you send that push notification, your message is going to be at the top there. So you send them updates or motivational videos, motivational quotes, send them a push notification. Okay? So Christopher Wilson signing off. I hope you all enjoyed this training. Remember, hit a thumbs up on that. Comment, please. And if you have an SGR ebook, let's see yours. Talk to you soon. Take care.